Hi there, this is the Colchester Triumph 2000. Beautiful example of the Colchester. It's got the reasonably high speed range, quick change tool post, the rear tool post mount, full length splash guard on the back. General condition is it's very original. It's got the English chucks and those types of things, the original quick change tool post, and general condition is very good. It's missing a wee knob here for one of the gear change levers, and a little bit of bed wear on it. Doesn't come with a light. Apart from that, it's all looking very, very good. It's got the carriage revolving turret type stop there, and back and front it looks really tidy. Someone's fitted a late model isolation switch there. It's got the coolant on it. Alright, tailstock looks in good condition and is working nicely. Carriage is nice to operate back and forward. Cross slide feels good, and compound slide feels good. Okay, we'll start up the coolant pump. There it is ticking over there. You can just hear it. It doesn't have any coolant in it. And I'll start it up and take you through the feeds. Got the emergency foot brake on it there. Okay, so I've got it in a relatively low speed there. Both the lead screw and feed shaft are working there, low and high, etc. That feels nice. That's the low and the high, and that's the direction. So that side of the feed change feels good. Okay, we'll engage the lead screw there on the carriage. So that's moving there now. Change that direction. And now coming towards me. Still got the thread dial indicator there. Now we'll take you through the feeds. That's the carriage going that way. Now the carriage is coming towards me, so you can change the direction on the carriage. Now there's the cross slide coming towards you, and now going away. So those are the feeds. Stop them. I'll take you through the speed range. So put it in its very lowest. This will be there. 25, 33, 45, 60, take it in the next range, and that's one. Oh, we'll take you down again. 80, 108, 140, 190, through the next range. 260. 350. 470. 625. Last range. 840. 1120. 2 more. 1500. 2000. So there it is. It's missing that wee control there. Doesn't have the wee light at the back fitted. A little bit of bed wear, but the general condition is very good, very original, and in good working order too for its age.